In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address in Docusign. Managing your online accounts efficiently is crucial to maintaining good communication and keeping your information up to date. And this straightforward process in Docusign will help ensure that your email information is accurate and current. First, begin by navigating to the Docusign homepage. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Docusign. Once there, take a moment to become familiar with the homepage if you're new to Docusign. The interface is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, so locating various features is generally quite smooth. Next, you'll want to log into your Docusign account. This is a simple step, but it's essential to ensure that you're accessing the correct account, especially if you manage multiple email addresses or use Docusign for both personal and professional purposes. Click on the Login button, which is typically easy to spot on the homepage. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. From here, you'll be able to see your dashboard and access various tools. To proceed with changing your email address, navigate to the Profile section of your account. This can usually be found in the upper right-hand corner of the page, often represented by an avatar or your initials. Clicking on your profile is the gateway to managing your account's personal information. Once within your profile settings, look for the option labelled Manage Profile. Clicking on this will take you to a more detailed view where you can update various aspects of your account. Here you'll find different tabs and options, each dedicated to specific account settings, including your personal info, security settings, and notification preferences. From the Manage Profile section, find the email address option. Clicking on this will bring up the tool you need to make the change. It's important to note that updating your email address may require you to verify the new address, so make sure you have access to the email account you plan on switching to. Verification ensures that the email change is legitimate and secure. Following these steps will successfully update your email address in Docusign. Remember to save any changes you make and log out of your account once you've confirmed the new email has been updated. Regularly reviewing and keeping your contact information current can help you avoid missing important communications, especially when dealing with essential documents electronically. I hope you found this tutorial easy to follow. Keeping your Docusign account up to date is essential and can make managing agreements smoother and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for further tips on effectively managing your digital tools and services.